Greetings to all. Today we will learn about non-contact forces. The force which can act even without any actual contact between the two objects is called a non-contact force. An object can exert a force on another object only when it lies within its field of influence. Some important non contact forces are magnetic force, electrostatic force, gravitational force. First is magnetic force. The force exerted by a magnet on another magnet or any magnetic substance like iron and cobalt within its magnetic field is called a magnetic force. The magnetic force acts from a distance. But magnet has a certain field of influence within which it can exert the force. This field of influence is called its magnetic field. Let us perform an activity. Take some iron nails and put them on the table. Bring a small magnet near these iron nails. We will see that the iron nails get attracted towards the magnet. The force of attraction is visible even when the magnet is kept at a distance. Thus, it shows that magnetic force is a non-contact force. Second is electrostatic force. The force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body is called as electrostatic force. It acts from a distance. Like a magnet, a charged body also has a field of influence within which it exerts the force. This field of influence is called the electric field. Let us perform an activity. When you rub a plastic comb many times with your dry hair and bring it near a heap of small pieces of paper, they are attracted by the comb. This is because on rubbing, the comb gets charged. Since the charge is produced due to the rubbing of comb and remain there without any movement, it is called electrostatic charge. It shows that electrostatic force is a non-contact force. Third is gravitational force. Every object in this universe attracts every other object with a certain force. The force with which two objects attract each other is called force of gravitation. The force of gravitation acts even when the two objects are not connected by any means. Gravitational force exists everywhere in the universe. If you throw a ball in the air to a certain distance and then falls to the ground, the reason that ball does not stay in the air is because Earth exerts a gravitational force on the ball that pulls it back to the ground. This force of attraction exerted by the Earth on any object is called the force of gravity or gravity. Since gravitational force acts on the object from a distance, therefore gravitational force is a non-contact force. It is the gravitational force of the earth that enables us to walk conveniently on the ground. Otherwise, we would have floated away. Let us understand how the weight is related to gravitational force. Weight is a measure of the Earth's gravitational pull on an object. When you weigh an object using a spring balance, you measure the Earth's gravitational pull on the object. Weight and mass are two different physical quantities. Mass is the material content of an object, whereas weight is a force that changes with change in gravity. Force of gravity on the moon is 1/6 of the force of gravity on the earth. Children, if your weight on the earth is 48 kg, you will weigh 8 kg on the moon. That's all for today. Thank you.